Hello and welcome to the new episode. My name is Khan and you are watching Trading Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about why smart money traders trap and what is the main reason to fail smart money traders. If you are know very well that how to identify boss, chalk, order block, structure, everything, but you are not making money and you are losing money continue. Some people catch actual move but they can't hold because they are not confident that how should trade management, and some people do wrong thing against the trend. When market is bearish they trying to buy, if market is bullish they trying to sell after chalk or boss. So what is the reason to fail smart money concept? If you ask me one reason to fail smart money traders, so I would like to say only one thing. This is a education system, because our education system is very bad. You know, lot of people are teaching you and you have seen a lot of videos on internet, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook, everywhere. Okay, they will teach you, they will show you that how boss and chalk order block is work on a specific point, but same thing work on every point? No. And if you know that then everything is not working on everywhere, that means if boss chalk order block is not working on every point, what is the reason? There is any specific reason? Yes, there is a specific reason. You have to apply same thing on same, you have to apply same thing in a special criteria. First identify the criteria, then apply these all things. I will show you exactly how things actually work and how smart money traders look at trend. So this is a market, and as you can see here, if I ask you here what is the trend in this condition, probably you would like to say market was bullish and then market shift bullish to bearish. So before this bearish movement, this is a bearish movement. Okay, so before this bearish moment, what happened with SMC trader? Let me show you exactly. Okay, so look at the left side, which is our highest point in a left side, this one, and this point broke this structure is here. Okay, and this one is called our break of structure. And after break of this structure, what should you do? You have to wait for the order block mitigation, then you can looking for buy or sell. In bullish trend you probably looking for buy. So after this bullish order block, where is your buy? Ask yourself. Some aggressive traders buy here and some more aggressive trader buy here, and some people trade based on the premium and discount, and most of the traders buy below the 50%. And in this case, where is our next order block? Is here. All right, and below this, where is our extreme order block? Let me show you this one, because there is a proper imbalance, clear order block we can mark here. And below this there is any order block. You can see here this is a minor wick which act like a demand. Okay, so as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 zone. In this case most of the traders get confused here which order block we should use. Let me show you exactly how they are buying here. They buying here and putting the stop loss just below it and expect price go higher, and again trader buy here and putting the stop loss just below it and expecting same price go higher, and again price trading below the 50% on a discount zone, then they would like to again expecting price go higher. And this one is also same thing here, but here is a different story. Let me show you exactly. Some traders wait for the chalk or boss. When market tap on the any specific demand or supply zone, then they wait for the lower time frame confirmation like boss chalk, then they would like to buy or sell. Okay, so most of the traders do same thing because this is a good thing actually. So what happened here? Remember, this was low and this high has been taken out, and this called change of character, and you can say boss also. And this price has been tapped on the extreme demand below the 50%, and then very highly chances market tap on this order block, which is minor order block is here, and most of the traders looking here for the buy, correct? And this is a buy here and expect price go higher. And again what happened here, price push higher and then push downside and failed this demand. Then again traders introduce here. These all traders introduce here because price tap on the extreme zone, correct? And then what happened, market tap here and putting the stop loss just below it, and some other type of the traders who trade based on chalk or boss, as I told you, they buy on this order block which is on the extreme point, correct? So they can buy here and they expecting price go higher. All right, so this is a scenario for the buyers because market break the structure and everyone looking for the buy. Same thing happen here. I hope you will be stuck in this case in any point, maybe one point, maybe here and here and here, or maybe 2-3 times. Okay, it's depend on your trading style. So in this type of the situation, probably you will be trapped most of the time. Okay, so let me show you what happened after this. After broken this demand zone, everyone thinking that now market turn bullish to bearish because market was bullish and now turn into bearish. So this low act like a break of structure, and now everyone anticipating for the sell. So when market break this structure, so where you can sell. Okay, let me show you exactly. This is a point. Okay, here this is a point, market break the structure. After break this structure, where you would like to sell, first order block is here, correct? And second order block is here. Okay, so these are order blocks, correct? And here everyone looking for the sell, and some other type of traders who trade based on the structure break and buy or sell, just simply they would like to buy because market break this high and they anticipating price go higher. Okay, and maybe you are not among of them, but some people mark this as a chalk and they anticipating price go higher because this is a recent high which is here, correct? And low is here. Why this happened here, I will show you exactly what was the main reason and why SMC trader fail mostly. Okay, so after hit the stop loss and people say this is market going to bullish because market break the recent high. Okay, so some traders now again looking for the buy. So where they can buy, they can buy on this order block because this is the order block and below this order block is the extreme. They buy like this, correct? Why I am saying here, because same thing happened with you. Most of the SMC trader trap like this, they expecting same thing. Okay, and then what happened, as you can see here, market again break the structure. Now everyone thinking market turn into continue go downside and they would like to sell again. So where they would like to sell most of the time, what happened here, this is our recent supply, this is a middle of the move and this one is a extreme. So in this case what you should do, in this case some people sell here, okay, and some people waiting for this and some people wait for this. So in this case if anybody sell here, of course they make money because luckily market push downside and they make money, they can make money, correct? After this what happened, market push again higher, correct? So why these things happening here and most of the traders missing this trade to activate? Okay, so why these things happening with SMC trader? What is the reason? I would like to say only one thing, this is a education system, because our education system is not good. correct? That's why the most of the traders fail in a SMC. So it is very likely that you will get stuck in so many trades a couple of times. This is the reason why smart money traders fail. Now let me show you exactly what happened here and why these trades fail and what is the reason and how we can trade it. So I will give you some little bit a briefly idea that you can understand what was happening with you. Okay, what happening with you. Okay, now let's see. Now first thing, clean all the drawings. Okay, now start from here. As you can see here, this is our break of structure, correct? But in reality, this is not break of structure. Actually, when market break a major high or low, that's called external liquidity, and this is taken out the liquidity. I will not count this is a break of structure. Okay, this is a external liquidity. As I mentioned in our premium course in Academy, that every single high or low is a liquidity. Every single high or low is a liquidity. Sessions high low is a liquidity. Daily candles high low is a liquidity. Every major high low is a liquidity. Order block, chalk, boss, everything is a liquidity. Indicators, support, resistance, demand, supply, everything is liquidity. And bank don't trade like them. As you think market makers trade based on the boss, chalk, order block, no, they don't trade based on any structure, any strategy. They trade based on your orders. If you are buying any particular zone, they will be introduced there because they want a liquidity. Okay, once you create liquidity, they grab it and push higher or lower. Okay, because they don't know exactly what is order block. Sometime order block tap and sometime not. It doesn't mean that they are not making money. Okay, so think about it and think differently. So after break this structure, okay, and this is not break of structure, this is external liquidity. Okay, so where we can buy or sell after this? Probably after break this high, and I'm very interested here for the buy, seriously. But if everything fit in my criteria, then I would like to buy. And how I buy? This is our secret entry types, and which I teach you in our premium content, but I will give you some briefly idea, correct? So after taking out this high, we are looking for the sell. Most of the time we are looking for the sell. Probably when market take major high, and then we are looking for sell. After break this structure, probably everyone looking here for buys, including me. But after break this high, I try to sell. Why? Because once market grab the external liquidity, then very highly chances market take a pullback and then push higher. But how we can sell here? This is our private entry types, which I mentioned with our student, entry type 2. Okay, but we can buy here. As I mentioned here, this is our high probability zone here. Okay, but how we can buy here? You have to apply these things at this point. When market pushing downside like this, then market must be taken out first high. As you can see, market taken out this high. Okay, then market push downside. So first high broken, that's called fake boss, and market pushing higher high like this, and then we can buy here. Okay, so this Y is our high probability. Okay, so this Y is high probability for the upside, correct? Because market taken out the liquidity in a downside. In this case, market did not grab any liquidity. Market break this structure, correct? And this one is called fake boss if market break this, taken out this low and continue push downside. So in this case, market taken out first move and push downside, taken out this liquidity and push higher. Price must be break this high, then we can continue go higher. So this is a scenario. In this case, you can buy. Okay, so this area you have to apply these things before the buy or sell, correct? So then after break this low, After break this low, I'm interested for the sell. So where we can sell? Look at the right side. First thing is here. If I delete all things here, then I will ask you, if I ask you here, what is trend right now? So probably everyone say market is a bearish, which is correct. So what is market structure? If I say to you, mark the actual high or low, then what is your high or low and what is your boss or chalk? In this case, market is a bearish, so probably everyone mark this is our chalk, because market is a bearish. So first high taken out this high and close above it, so this one is called our boss. And after taking out this high, market turn into bullish to bearish, and everyone probably this one is our boss in a downside. Okay, so this one is our break of structure in a downside, and again this one is new structure because market creating lower lows like this, correct? Okay, so market creating, first market was bullish and then market shift bullish to bearish, and after break this structure, everyone looking here for the sell, and they anticipating price go higher to mitigate here and then push downside, then again break the structure, and what happened here? This is a low. Okay, and then what happened? Everyone looking here for sell. This is an order block and this is an order block, but I know you are marking same thing. Most of the traders mark same thing in a smart money concept. So what is this? If I ask you, what is this? Everyone say this is a liquidity. No, this is a not liquidity. This is an inducement. Why? This inducement is responsible for this move. Okay, and this is area when we can sell. Correct? Why? Because you know this is not boss. First thing, I will show you exactly what is the reason this is not boss and this all structure is invalid. Okay, to mark any high or low, if you have any specific reason, logic, then you can mark. Otherwise, don't mark like randomly. Okay, probably most of the traders do wrong thing. They mark high, low, but what is the reason? Why this high or low? Why this is a low, lower low, and why this is lower low? Why not this one? Okay, so this is a main question and nobody talk about it, because most of the traders don't know exactly, and few traders know everything that how should mark the structure, but they don't teach you. Okay, so in this case, where is my structure, high, low and everything? So this is my lower low and this is our lower high. This is not lower low. Remember why? I will show you exactly. This is not my lower low. My lower low is here. Okay, why? Because I have a reason. This is my break of structure. Correct? Because in this case you can see market taken out the previous high, market taken out the liquidity. Before the confirmation high or low, price must be taken out the liquidity. If market did not taken out liquidity, it means structure is a weak and structure is not confirmed, structure is invalid. Same thing happened here. Most of the traders mark this is a boss. This is not boss. Remember, this is a trap. Okay, measure high or low is here and this is a single leg like this. Okay, so between this high or low, this is a single leg. Correct? And why I did not mark this low? Because this high did not break any liquidity, did not sweep any liquidity. That's why this low is not valid. And why not this one? Because in this case also market did not take any liquidity. That's why this is our new low. Correct? So low and lower high and lower lows break the structure, and When we can sell? After inducement. So where is our inducement? Is here, because above this order block available here, and these all are smart money trap, correct? So these all are smart money trap. So what is the next step after this? Next break of structure is here. Market break this low and close below it. Price must be closed below it, correct, in a major time frame. Once you are looking for entry, then market closing entry, closing candlestick is not important. You can consider as a big also. Okay. So break this structure, and where is our low? Which is here. Okay. And this is our new low, and after confirm this low. Why is this confirm low? Because it took liquidity. Okay, and after taking out this liquidity, where is our lower high? Once market break this low. Okay, so this is become our new break of structure, and this is become our new lower high, and we can sell after price, once price close below it, correct? So this become our new extreme zone where we can sell. Okay, so this become our next entry, because market momentum is a bearish, correct? And let me show you exactly after taking out this inducement how many entries we can take in. Okay, after taking out this high, okay, when we can entry, we can get entry here, put the stop loss just above it, correct? And next entry after taking out this high, on this order block, correct? This is our third entry. Okay, and why this happening here, why this move happening here? Because everyone buying here on this order block, these all are smart money trap. That's why on every point market showing reaction. You can see why this happening here, because every SMC trader buying here. Okay, every SMC trader buying here. In a left side, same thing happen here. Everyone buying here. They see order block and they jump into trade, buy and buy. That is the main reason to fail SMC. You have ability, no doubt you have ability to become a good trader, but you don't have a good knowledge, good mentor, good community. Okay, because smart money is a fancy word to induce new traders. Okay, they know boss or chalk is a order block, is everything, and they induce to move your strategy, retails to smart money concept. But both strategy is a retail's liquidity. You have to understand it. Support, resistance, SMT, order block, everything is a liquidity. Lot of people ask me, who are you? I am true SMC trader who trade based on the banks and institutional footprint. Okay, so this video is a very important, you have to understand, and I will upload next part that how banks trade actually. Now let me show you exactly what happening on a live market, then I will give you some explanation. First thing, switch on to the 5-minute chart. This was 1-minute chart. Okay, same strategy work in every time frame, every currency pair, even stock market, forex market, currency market, US stock market, Indian stock market, Nifty, Bank Nifty, everywhere work very smoothly, because every market have a manipulation. Without manipulation, without liquidity, market can't go higher or lower. Okay, so let me show you exactly what happened here on a live chart. So as you can see, market tap here, and now you can switch into the lower time frame to see where is your entry. Now switch into the lower time frame 1 minute to see where we can sell here. Okay, so now you can see everyone do same thing here. This is our chalk. Some people mark this as a chalk and they would like to wait for the mitigation order block, which is here probably, correct, and they would like to wait for the mitigation and then sell. But as per our entry plan, we don't need to wait for the mitigation any order block, we can sell on here. And this is our entry type 3, and these all things mentioned in our mentorship program, everything is here. These are multiple entry and third entry is here. Correct. And these are not randomly, these are based on the logical. Okay, these three entries on a same point based on the logical. You don't need to wait for chalk, pause, anything. Okay, you don't need to wait for the mitigation, any higher time frame, order block, supply, demand, anything. Okay, this video can be change your entire view. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the entire video. I will upload next part as soon as possible.